Hello and welcome to my channel. To enable on-screen keyboard on Mac, click on the Apple icon on the menu bar and then choose System Preferences. Now on the System Preferences window, click on the keyboard icon. On the keyboard window, select the Input Sources tab. Under this tab, check Show Input Menu in Menu Bar checkbox. An input menu icon should now appear on the menu bar. Click on it. Now select Show Keyboard Viewer. On-screen keyboard is now enabled. You can now input any text by clicking on the virtual keyboard keys. Please like if this video helped you, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, comment to ask questions or to give feedback. Thank you.